आर यू ए बीटेक इन आईटी और इन कंप्यूटर साइंस एंड वंडरिंग ये डिग्री तो मिल गई, अब आगे करियर का क्या? Well, this video is there for you whether you are dreaming for a सरकारी नौकरी, stable job, job security, or you are looking for a very high paying private sector job, or you are looking for a mixed professional experience and job security. This video is your ultimate guide. Hold your chai, coffee, ice cream or toffee, whatever keeps your attention there. Very welcome to iExamBee. Here we make your job preparation 50% faster. Let me start with the opportunities in the public sector. If you are a graduate and you are a fresher, let me be very frank, who doesn't want a stability wali feeling after the graduation? And nowadays, this is not a secret. The salary in the public sector is really very good, especially the starting salary. The opportunities you have, of course, you have to write an exam. Opportunities, the best opportunity I will tell you we have is the SEBI IT officer. Working with the stock market regulator of the country, where you are dealing with the challenges of those who are always trying to break the code, cyber security, and you must have heard about the algo trading, where you are drawing that line, क्या legal है और क्या illegal है. Second, I am telling about the NABARD IT officer, handling IT solutions for the rural banking. गांव में IT का डंका बजा. More number of opportunities are there in SBI, IBPS, PO, in top-notch banks where you are handling the data of almost every Indian, and these are very high security transactions. Specialist officers की job announce होती हैं. Then you have job like NIC, National Informatics Center, works for the digitization of the government projects. Digital India का सुपर हीरो बनने का अपॉर्चुनिटी है. अब ये जॉब मिलेगी कैसे? गवर्नमेंट सेक्टर में ऑफ कोर्स यू हैव टू राइट एन एग्जाम, बट यू नीड basic coding skills also. Develop your skills in programming like Java, Python, SQL. Coding तो देखो करनी ही पड़ेगी, एग्जाम में भी आपको कोडिंग करनी पड़ेगी. Also understand database management, networking, cyber security concepts, and also follow recruitment notifications. These jobs get advertised. Prepare with past year's paper. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, we will let you know all the important notifications. Please subscribe कर लीजिए, नहीं तो कई बार अच्छी नौकरी का मौका भी हाथ से निकल जाएगा. And in the description you will find a course for all these government job of IT officers. This is a very crisp course. Of course, coding तो सिखाएंगे ही, but we will tell you all fundamental concept here that is very much required because you have to clear a written exam before you reach to the interview. अब बात करते हैं प्राइवेट सेक्टर में अपॉर्चुनिटीज की. If you think मुझे तो प्राइवेट सेक्टर का मस्त पैकेज चाहिए, many times your starting salary may be low in private sector. I am telling you, depending on your present skill, but you keep on building your skill, you will definitely grow. IT सेक्टर में तो इंडिया के लोगों ने वैसे ही वर्ल्ड ओवर डंका बजा रखा है. टैलेंट के लिए तो यहाँ अपॉर्चुनिटीज की बारिश हो रही है. You will have opportunities, of course, as a software developer and engineer. Lakhs of people join TCS, Infosys, Wipro. कोड लिखो, पैसा कमाओ. Number 2, there are opportunities coming up in cyber security. Deloitte, KPMG, EY, यहाँ पर हैकर्स को हैक करो. Then there are opportunities as a cloud engineer. AWS, Microsoft, Google, cloud पे उड़ने का मौका है. There are many more companies and lot of work is required in the cloud space. Then there are opportunities like data engineer, AI ML experts. Join startups for AI ML and also MNCs. Even government of India is talking about building foundation AI in India. But how you are going to get it? First, most important I am telling you, यहाँ पे डिग्री की उतनी वैल्यू नहीं है. Most important is you have to have the right skill set. Python, Java, cloud computing, database management, AI, ML, whatever it is, you have to have a very deep understanding. Difference क्या है? In government job preparation, you have to know everything because there will be an exam. Here you have to know one thing very deep. I am telling you, you have to become a master of one area. It can be database management, it can be ML, it can be cyber security, it can be a coding. Build real world projects. Contribute to the open source platform like GitHub. नाम कमाओ वहाँ पे, इतना नाम कमाओ कि लोग कंपनी आपको ढूंढते हुए आ जाएं. Then apply for internship. Apply for different hackathons. फ्री में भी इंटर्नशिप करनी पड़े ना, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. यू हैव टू बिल्ड योर स्किल. आई एम टेलिंग यू, इफ यू फील आपको तो कोई इंटर्नशिप में भी लेने को तैयार नहीं है, देन आई एम सजेस्टिंग यू इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन गिविंग यू मोर डिटेल्स. ज्वाइन सम स्किल डेवलपमेंट प्रोग्राम. वी ऑल्सो कंडक्ट इन पार्टनरशिप विद मेनी ऑफ सच ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस वेयर द top level people, those who have worked in all these top companies which I named, they train you. Then coming the third opportunity, government job if you have a work experience. Very interesting because lateral recruitment for these specialized position is very much there in the government space. IT specialist job in government organizations, in PSUs like ONGC, GAIL, HPCL, BPCL, all public sector banks, and also state government and central government. They recruit at senior level. So you may have some positions requiring 2 years of work experience, some maybe 5 year and 10-15 year of work experience. Depending on the position you are applying for, you will have an opportunity to build your career while you are building nation. India is one of the leading country in the overall IT space. By joining government sector at a senior level, you may be one of the key contributor in the policy making also. How to apply for these jobs? Again, you have to be aware about the notifications. पब्लिक सेक्टर में एक बात पक्की है, हर रिक्रूटमेंट बहुत ट्रांसपेरेंसी के साथ होता है, तो दे हैव टू एडवर्टाइज एवरीथिंग इन द न्यूज़पेपर. स्पेशलाइजेशन इन डेटा साइंस. गवर्नमेंट हैज लॉट ऑफ डेटा टू मैनेज. पूरे देश के लोगों का डेटा है. डेटा सिक्योरिटी इज ए बिगर कंसर्न फॉर गवर्नमेंट. आपको मालूम है, चाइना वाले नजर लगा के रखे हुए हैं पूरे टाइम. AI, ML, क्लाउड कंप्यूटिंग. Gain some real world certifications. Build some networking. And to ensure that you don't miss the notifications, don't forget to subscribe the channel. Now, just to summarize, I told you 3 opportunities. One is opportunities for fresher in the government sector. Second is for fresher opportunities in private sector. And third, if you have work experience, you have opportunities in government sector also. If you are a fresher looking for a job, or if you are a working professional looking for a career upgrade, opportunities are everywhere. What you need is the right skill. Build your skill. Your career is in your hand. On the description, I have given you some link where you are going to see the amazing course by the amazing experts of the IT. Apply for the right role. Secure the job you are looking for. If you find this video useful, please like this, share this with the other people also. लोगों को पता ही नहीं होता कि पब्लिक सेक्टर में भी इतनी अपॉर्चुनिटीज मिलती हैं. और हाँ, कमेंट करके आप बताना कि आपको कौन सा ऑप्शन पसंद है, सरकारी नौकरी या प्राइवेट जॉब. आई विश यू ऑल द बेस्ट in your preparation for building a career and unfolding your potential. Thank you.